In this video, we'll introduce the new multi-lane printing feature in Digital Factory 12.1. This feature is designed for wide format printers that are paired with downstream equipment that has a narrower media width capacity. For example, a print shop may have a 64-inch printer, but a shaker that can only accommodate media up to 24 inches wide. In this situation, the shop could install two 24-inch rolls of media on the printer. However, when printing to multiple rolls side by side, jobs must be arranged into separate columns to prevent printing in the gap between the rolls. If artwork is printed across this gap, ink can be deposited onto the printer components beneath the media, creating unnecessary cleanup and potential maintenance issues. To eliminate the need for manually arranging jobs into separate columns, the multi-lane printing feature automatically organizes print jobs into independent lanes while maintaining a gap between them. It will also use auto-nesting if it is selected in the queue properties. These together will prevent ink from being printed into the space between the rolls, protects your printer from messes, and produces separate print outputs that are ready to move directly into your shaker workflow. To use multi-lane first, go to the ellipses of the queue you wish to use. The queue dialog will open. Now select the next set of ellipses to the right of the print media option. The queue properties dialog will open and you will already be in the media setup section. Ensure the type of media is set to roll media. Click on the drop-down list for type and select roll media from the list. Next, click on the drop-down list for name and select add new media. The media setup dialog will open, and the first thing to do is to name the setup, so here we'll call it dual roll. Next, you have to set the physical size of the maximum width of the printer. This one has a width of 64 inches. We'll leave the margins at 0 inches, then to activate the multi-lane capability, tick the box for multi-lane. You now have a number of options to set. The number of lanes pertains to how many lanes you wish to split the printing width into. You can set up to 4 lanes. The multi-lane can also be used to organize jobs during production, helping to keep the jobs organized per customer and so on. For this demonstration, the lane will be set to 2 lanes. The settings for the 2 lanes are set below. For lane 1, set the location where the first roll's left end is positioned on the printer bed. The first roll was positioned with the left side 4 inches from the left, so 4 inches is set in this field. Now, set the width of the roll, which is 24 inches. Next, you will set the position and width of the second roll. Set the position of the left side of the second roll to 30 inches and the width of the roll to 24 inches. Now, no ink will print from 0 to 4 inches, 28 inches to 30 inches, and 54 to 64 inches, leaving the 2 lanes for printing. Now, click Create to set the new media, and OK to complete the setup. The queue layout should be set to auto-nest before you import your jobs. If not, Digital Factory will create a new page for each job imported. To set the layout to auto-nest, go to the ellipses on your queue tab and click on the drop-down menu for Layout. Select Auto-Nest. Click on the top right X to close the dialog. Now, the jobs will be arranged in the best position to save media. It's time to import the jobs you want to print. Right-click on the queue window and select Import File. Navigate to the files that will be printed, select all the files needed for the print job, and click Open. The files will be imported and arranged according to the auto-nesting. See how the jobs are arranged by auto-nest, but at the same time spans across the 2 lanes to print on both rolls of media. Lastly, if you had to readjust the lane measurements, go back and click the ellipses of the queue tab, and click again on the ellipses to the right of print media. The Queue Properties dialog will open. Click on the ellipses to the right of the name drop-down list. The Printer Manager window opens with the list of available media setups. To edit the settings for the dual roll setup, double-click on the name Dual Roll. The Media Setup dialog will open, allowing you to make changes to the current media setup for dual roll. The second roll of media needed to be moved to the right by 4 inches. This means adding 4 inches to the start position of the second lane. Type in 34 inches in the field for the start of lane 2. Click Update. Click Close. And then click OK. You will see the change take effects in the preview, where the position of the right lane representing the second roll is moved 4 inches to the right. Multi-lane printing is an innovative solution that maximizes the efficiency of wide-format printers when production workflows require compatibility with downstream equipment that has narrower media width limitations.